It's very windy today, so I'm not sure how much the camera's going to be picking up right now, but I have not had good luck with these eBay silicone hoses. It was also one of the only ones I could find. Hopefully, given that it's not as complicated as what the Subaru ones are, I had some difficulties doing one of those on a Forester. This should be much easier. There is this one hiding way down there. That's what we got to get to actually get this thing off. Then the last thing to do is undo it from the turbo. There's a little vacuum hose that just goes to nothing. Seems to be the common occurrence with a lot of these cars is you don't know what half the stuff goes to. Look at this. What's that doing? Not cracked. It doesn't look like there's anything bad going on with this. It's just dirty. That should flow much nicer without having all these like ripples and stuff there. And it looks like it's a bigger inlet. That could be an issue. Well then. Here's my only downside with that, is you then got a really hard lip on that inside, which I'm not sure what that's going to do in terms of airflow. So I'm wondering if I can somehow cut some sort of like bevel into that. Is the distance from here to the end looks much shorter than what it is here, so I think I'm going to need to trim this one down a little bit. About 4.5 centimeters. We got 7. It also seems like it's significantly longer on this end as well, but that's easier to sort out later on. Mint. Cool. It's not the cleanest cut in the world, but it'll be a nicer transition than just that hard edge. Yeah, well, get onto it. Don't pop out, don't pop out, don't pop out. Oh yeah, get in there. Get in there. No! Oh no. No. Why would you do that? Actually, I don't know, because this is going to be a world of fun to make sure this is lined up when we oh boy, what have I got myself into? We're gonna have this this way, so that's easy to get. Alright, I'm gonna start with you in there. And hopefully that stays flush. Oh, there we go, there we go. Lovely. Now we just need an air filter. I could probably try and make some sort of little airbox thing for it as well. Come on, get in there. Don't get in there, actually. I don't have a hose clamp on that. That would be very annoying. Go on, get on, son. Here we go. Lovely. God, all these hoses feel so dry and crusty. Well, we've got this little short stumpy pod filter here, so this will actually fit. Bang, it will actually clear our hood, whereas this one sits way too high and we're never going to get that to clear. Like, our hood's going to be constantly pushing down on that. Thinking a little just comes up, have some flaps that'll kind of come down here just to block this off a bit more from the heat. Comes this way, and then it can like bolt here. Oh, there's a little, I could probably bolt it onto that. So it comes out, leave a little tab that comes here, they can bolt to there. Our friend for this is going to be a cereal box, because it's thin, easy to work with. Damn it, here comes some rain. You So the lighting's not as good in here. That's why I try to film it outside, but bloody rain. I wasn't going to use a nice black that I've got, because if I'm going to be swapping this out very soon anyway, I don't want to waste it, and I've just got like these trash cans for stuff like this. We can chuck this down on here, bump-a-da-bar, no defects for us. Watch my battery be dead. Hasn't been started for a while. Yeah. If we have any different intake sound to when we had the factory box on. Problem is, it's been so long that since I've driven this car, I've forgotten what the stock one sounded like. Alright, that does sound different. There is an actual whoosh sound now. Problem is, I've still got that leaky gasket there somewhere, I think. Because I'm not sure if that might have been a cracked hose or if there's a gasket on the manifold that's actually leaking. We're about to find out though. We'll give it some down here. And something has blown off. Okay, this time we might actually be sweet. I've gone home, tightened down all those clamps again, got it all reset, so we should nice. Cool. That feels better, like things are a bit more secure. We can call that there. The car's running, driving. Not 100% yet, but still a few little things that we've got to go fix up.